Today is our day 6 Vlogmas. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, this is your girl RosesGlam. So today's video, we are going to do unboxing. So I just got this and it's about time to pick up the kids from school. So I decided to do it before I step out to go and pick them. If this is what you want to see, want to know what is in this box, stay put, don't go away. But before we hop into that, if you've not subscribed to our channel, I don't know what you're waiting for, please consider hitting on that subscription button right and get subscribed. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's unbox this and see what's inside. It's a big carton, yeah? So this is the manual and I'm going to tell you guys what's here. So I have been looking for a way to clean up my carpets. It's not that much up and down, but the downstairs, as you can see, we have something like a hard floor here. It's not the same as upstairs. So downstairs is hard floor. I just have a small center carpet by the living room and it's a bit dirty. I don't like it. So I really want to wash it off, and if I start looking for people that will wash it, I might not really get what I wanted. So I decided to go for something that I can use. Even if it's dirty, next time I can still do it myself. So I decided to buy this. It's from Argos. They just delivered it this afternoon, not long. I decided to, let me unbox it before I step out to pick up the kids. So this is manual, as you all can see. This is manual. I'm going to bring them up. Sorry guys, as I'm doing this, I'm at the same time cooking. So moms, we are everywhere doing everything at the same time, multitasking. So I'm going to bring this thing out, and if it happens that I can't couple all of them now, I'm going to pause and finish it up when I get back. But let's just start, okay? So guys, that is a solution tank which is fixed at the back of the machine behind it, and here comes external hose. Probably you want to hoover a tiny area that the bigger brush cannot fit in. You go ahead to fix that one. There's a place they made externally where you can fix it. Then you go ahead to fix in the brush. That carton, I thought there's something inside, but there was nothing. They just use it to safeguard the products not to damage, okay? And here comes this brush is called, they call it a spin scrub. So if you want to, maybe it's a hard stain, stubborn stain that you find it difficult to get off, you're going to fix that one to that external hose to use it to scrub there in order to get it, and followed by external, other brushes. So it comes with 500 platinum antibacterial solution, which you go ahead to pour at the solution tank behind the machine. Yeah, so guys, this here is the clean water tank, and here comes the main machine. It's lovely. It's a lovely machine, believe me. It's really, really lovely and big as well. So this is basically how the machine looks like, and I love the fact that the cable is long, that you can connect it. To be honest, I don't know how many meters, but I'm assuring you that it's long. So that is the handle. Go ahead and secure it very well until you hear the click sound. You know that is well secured. You go ahead to fix the water tank. That's the clean water tank. Below is the dirty water tank, okay? Secure it. When you're done with that, you go ahead to secure the solution tank behind the machine, and it's advised that you pour in the solution that came with it. That was what I just did. So after pouring that, I'll go ahead to pour in 40 degrees warm water in the clean water tank, okay? So after doing that, I'll go ahead to assemble others, kind of securing the brush so that the water don't splash everywhere when you are washing the carpet. So it's a bit confusing, but I managed to do it. It's not difficult though. And this hose gave me a little bit time. I was thinking something else, but what I was thinking is no, okay, the brush does the job, but when you want to wash kind of stairs, okay, you need that to use it to secure on that place that you saw me did it now. And go ahead to fix in the scrub brush. Probably you want to wash off stubborn stain, or you want to wash the stairs. You go ahead to secure that. That is basically how it is. Or you want to wash your couch or in the car, That is what the job is all about, the hose and those smaller brushes. And this is the antibacterial. Before you go ahead to use this, hoover your carpet very well, then go ahead to spray it. As you can see, I remove the cover to fix in the spray, I don't know what it's called, to fix it in. So but before you use it, go ahead to hoover your brush, spray it, allow it. So fam, we have come to the end of today's vlogmas. I hope you all love it, and this, I really like it. From the review, from the video I've seen so far, it's amazing, and I'm so looking forward to day 7 because I'm going to use it on our day 7 vlogmas. So look forward to that. And yeah, it's not really big deal to assemble them. It's very easy to fix. I was struggling with the hose. I never knew that is external hose that you can fix in case the bigger brush cannot fit in anywhere. You go ahead to use the external hose and the smaller brush to, you know, like stairs and all that, you can go ahead to use those ones. So basically this is what this thing is all about, and I'm so looking forward to use it. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys up again tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you, and have a lovely day. Bye-bye.